Convert the mixed number to improper fraction. To understand this, let's have an example. We have here 3 and 1/2. To convert 3 and 1/2 to improper fraction, to find for the new numerator, we will just multiply the old denominator by the whole number. And then the product will be added by the old numerator. For the new denominator, just copy the old denominator. Okay, so our old denominator here is 2. Multiply this by the whole number, which is 3. And then you add the old numerator, which is 1. Just copy the old denominator, which is 2. This will be 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, plus 1, and divide this by 2. And this will be equal to 6 plus 1 is 7, all over 2. Now, since the numerator is bigger than the denominator, this is now our final answer.